after you slide it, wait. What's up YouTube? Welcome back to the Arash Rapper. I hope everyone doing great. Today I having the one video. It's going to be very helpful for who wants to work on the Audi R8 or Lamborghini Gallardo or Gallardo, whatever. Both are gonna be same. How to remove the door handle cover, because for wrapping the doors car you need to remove the door handle cover, and it's very simple job, but also it's very easy to break. Let's get into the video. Before I start, subscribe the channel, turn on the notification. Let's go. Okay, my friend, as you guys know, I say in my previous video I'm going to rewrap my car, and I already removed the older film and keep it the passenger side to show you how to remove the door handle cover. Okay, this is the door handle for the R8 or Lamborghini Gallardo, and then this is the mechanism, and then this is the cover. The only things we need to remove is this one. And if you see here, we having the, sorry my hand is very dirty. Here is having the one hook, and then here is the one tab, okay, holding this one. And then if you see, those are like tab or plastic things sliding to the here. So for putting it back, you have to matching this line, and then from here sliding until here. Let's go to the other side, and then I will show you how to remove that one. I hope I can work on it and then take the video for you guys. But the things we need: first, grab the door handle, and then put the one wrap squeegee like this underneath it. Okay, and then you need the one really thin flat driver, and that tab I show you guys is here. Okay, try to pull this one in, and then sliding the door handle to this way, to your own, to the left. Okay, careful to not break this one. Okay. And after you slide it, wait. Okay, if you see this one, not this one, upper part, and those are holding here with this tab, this black one. Okay, and then when you want to put it in again, you have to hold it and then slide it the same way. But when you want to do it, put the masking tape around here. Maybe 1 or 2 times you try, and then you cannot make it, so not scratch this area. Now removing the door handle cover for the R8 and Gallardo or Gallardo. I hope you like it, and please wait, stay tuned for my new color. See you guys soon. Bye bye.